Hello powerful minds. People in today's world don't know the difference between being busy and being productive. Many people usually mix both of them, but both are far more different than we think. So today in this video we will learn some steps on how to get productive in life. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut your to-do list in half. Getting things done during your workday shouldn't mean fitting in doing as much as possible in the sanctioned 8 hours. Do you really need those 30 tasks on your to-do list? Take a less is more approach to your to-do list by only focusing on accomplishing things that matter. Step 2. Take more breaks. The ache in your brain after several long hours of work should be your signal to take a break. Since your brain has used up its glucose, give yourself a moment to refresh by going for a walk, grabbing lunch, or a snack, or just meditating. You'll come back recharged and ready to achieve greater efficiency. Step 3. Follow the 80-20th rule. Only 20% of what you do each day produces 80% of your results. Eliminate the things that don't matter during your workday, they have a minimal effect on your overall productivity. For example, break your next project down into steps and systematically remove tasks until you end up with the 20% that gets the 80% of results. Step 4. Use your morning to focus on yourself. It's a big productivity killer to start your mornings by checking your email and your calendar. This allows others to dictate what you accomplish. Start your day out right by ignoring your emails in the morning and getting in a good breakfast, reading the news, meditating, or working out. This will ensure you've got the necessary fuel for a productive day. Step 5. Tackle your challenging tasks before lunch. Knock out your most challenging work when your brain is fresh. If you have any busy work or meetings, save them for the afternoon. By scheduling your day this way, you'll be able to create a new and more productive way to manage your time. Step 6. Create a system. You've probably developed a few productivity-ruining habits over the years. Manage your distracting ways by creating a system. For those of you who check your emails compulsively, plan a morning, afternoon, and evening time slot to manage your inbox. Otherwise, you'll get distracted from accomplishing more important goals throughout the day. Step 7. Stop confusing productivity with laziness. While no one likes admitting it, sheer laziness is the #1 contributor to lost productivity. In fact, a number of so-called time-saving methods, take meetings and emails for example, are actually just ways to get out of doing real work. Place your focus on doing the things that matter most as efficiently and effectively as possible. Step 8. Stop multitasking. Stop trying to do 10 things at once. Changing tasks more than 10 times a day drops your IQ an average of 10 points. Get things done more effectively and efficiently by focusing on one task at a time. Less is more when it comes to being productive during the workday. Stick to the basics for reaching productivity. That's all for this video. If you have liked the video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, comment your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe this channel for more powerful tips.